In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove followers on TikTok in just a few taps. Whether you want more privacy, need to get rid of inactive accounts, or just want to control who sees your content, this method is fast and safe, and it works for both iPhone and Android devices. So let's start right away. The first thing which we'll do is to open the TikTok app on our mobile phone and make sure you're logged into the correct TikTok account. Let's go over our TikTok profile page. And the next step is to open our followers list by tapping here. As you can see, I've now opened my list where I can see all of the people on TikTok who are following my account. But if I see someone who I want to remove from my list so that they essentially unfollow me and stop seeing my content which I post on the platform, I can just tap on the three dots located at the right side of their name, and you will then get an option to remove them as the follower. You'll get a little pop-up message saying that this user will no longer follow you, and they won't get a notification that you've removed them. So they won't get a notification or anything similar. They will just stop seeing your TikTok videos, and they won't be able to access your profile if your profile is set to a private one. Another way that you can do this is to go over to their TikTok profile, tap on this little share icon located at the top right of the screen, and you will be able to see this remove this follower option. One more thing that you can do is to simply block this user, and then they won't be able to message you, and they also won't be able to access your TikTok profile at all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.